supposed to rain the next like 2 days, and I'd really like to have this done before I got to pick up a Porsche on Monday and then a McLaren Tuesday, so I want to have the truck kind of looking not like a heap of shit. Almost caved in the roof and just fucked up the whole thing, but that's what I used, the old foam roller. Okay, so overall it looks pretty good. However, I'm probably gonna have to scuff this down and repaint it because it started raining. That's what I get for not having any patience. All right, today I'm doing a little project on the second gen Cummins. Going to paint the new topper that I picked up. It's a pretty sweet color, but it's not gonna work with the white truck. So I'm gonna do the old Rust-Oleum roller paint job on it. Getting ready to start sanding it right now. I've had it turn out pretty decent on some cars, especially on interiors. So figured I'd give it a shot on this. All right, finally got done sanding everything down. Super fun. Got the roof, almost caved in the roof and just fucked up the whole thing, but I didn't see any cracks, but it was quite funny. It scared the shit out of me. I'm gonna rinse this thing off, eat some lunch, and wipe it down and hopefully get to painting it today. It's supposed to rain the next like 2 days, and I'd really like to have this done before I got to pick up a Porsche on Monday and then a McLaren Tuesday, so I want to have the truck kind of looking not like a heap of shit. All right, rinse it down. Let this thing dry, and then I'll hit it with some cleaner, wipe it down, and then hopefully start painting it. Not a huge fan of body work. All right, I got a few coats on there. Hopefully it settles down a little bit so it's not so I had to do cut in with a brush, so there's brush strokes in it. But I've had those where they settle down so it's not so noticeable. It's definitely pretty hillbilly, but at least it's all white now, and about a 20 footer. So it's good enough for who it's for. It's still wet. I just finished. I have a feeling that I'm going to have to do one more coat. That'll probably happen in a few weeks. It's good enough for now. It's supposed to rain for a few days, so definitely won't be happening before next week. That's what I used, the old foam roller. That's the high performance Rust-Oleum. That stuff is great for interiors on race cars and whatnot. And then a regular paintbrush. Okay, so overall it looks pretty good. However, I'm probably gonna have to scuff this down and repaint it because it started raining before this dried, so now there's a texture to it that probably isn't gonna look too good. So that sucks. That's what I get for not having any patience trying to get stuff done before rain, I guess. But overall, from 20 feet and cruising down the highway, it looks good enough for now. So we'll wrap this one up. All right, so now that it's all dried off, I went for a drive. Damn. Sick. Anyways, went for a drive. It air dried, and you can see how bad the rain screwed it. So it looks like Tupperware now. Definitely a bummer. So I'll have to address that eventually. Should have just waited another week until we had some good weather, but a lot of times when they say it's gonna rain over here in Fort Wayne, it doesn't. So I was like, whatever, give it a shot. Oh well. It's a 30-footer now, not a 20-footer.